timer to there. All right, come here, figs. Oh, there, and there. All right, you ready, figgies? And it's 0 to 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
If that's what she
Go search. Alert.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, figgies. All right, go find more. Oh, she's finding treats all over the floor. Or something. Go search. No odor on her boots. Alert.
Yes.
Girl. Okay. Go search more. Go find more. Come here. Go see. Yeah, let's go back over this where you found those treats. Is there something over here? Go see. Big face. Go see. No? All right.
Seconds.
Okay. Go see. Go this way. Finish.
Thanks. You did miss one.
It's on that trash can, probably.
Trash can.
Yeah, she has that problem when she finds treats, then she doesn't alert on it.
You're gonna head out that door, across to the other door, and through the machine shop to the exit sign and follow the L's out back. I'm sorry.
She says, I already got paid.